Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can easily add contacts in Skype. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Skype, and then right under the people and groups you're going to see contacts here, and you want to simply click new contact, and you can invite someone to Skype or add a phone number or find people. So when I'm going to write here John, right, I gotta see more people here, and it's really important the person that you want to invite gives you like his name, right? So I can go even and write here Jessica, whatever, right? And you can simply click here, add contact. And this is how you can simply do it. So you just click here, add contact. And now the person is added to contact. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.